So in the last video on the old Ranger, I was kind of doing a wrap up on it, which I kind of did, but if you remember in that video, I kind of failed because I had to go do a timing belt and a tensioner, which I did, but I didn't videotape that. Thunderhead 289 has a fantastic video out there on the 1989 Ranger with a 2.3 liter in it where he redoes the timing belt and the tensioner. And he's way better at this than me. So go check out that video, look at the link below, and if you got that issue going on, that'll take care of that. Welcome to the Bad Donkey Garage. So after I got that timing belt in there, the Ranger's running super good. You know, I've been putting miles on it. So I'm pretty sure I'm done with this right now. I do have a set of headlights to go into it. I might get into that today, put those headlights in there, and I'll show you that when that's finished. And I doubt I'm going to videotape all that stuff because there's a million videos online for all this kind of stuff. So I think I'm just going to use this video to direct everybody where to go, find those videos if you're looking for it. But I think the old Ranger is done in the Bad Donkey Garage. Not sure where we go next. I guess I'll have to start looking for another piece. Corvair's all ready for Power Tour, so I'm kind of way ahead of schedule on that. And I think that's it. Of course, there's tons of videos online that like get you to this point. Oh, just remove this, just remove that, you know. But this is really what happens when you start prying on 35-year-old plastic, okay? You know, break, 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 break. So when I put this back together, I don't know, it clips, this little piece clips right here, but it's long gone and there's no fixing it. So I'm not sure what I'll do. I'll put a nut in behind there or something and screw it in. But yeah, get on the internet and watch a video. Oh, it's going to be Cupcake City. You know, it never is. Stuff breaks and you're trying to make it better. And I'm just making it worse. All right, back at you. Well, there it is with the new headlights in it. Kind of zoom in here and take a look at the baking soda super glue repair on that plastic. That worked really, really good. Thanks a bunch to Thunderhead 289 for the timing belt and tensioner video. And Fast Forwards 289 for the headlight changing video. So a lot of information out there on the internet for these Rangers. So go pick yourself one up and have a little bit of fun. I'll do an update in the future on how this thing's treating me, but so far so good. So appreciate you watching the Bad Donkey Garage. Peace.